Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Please. Thank you all so much. Good evening, good evening, good evening. It has been a while. I greet the house. Oga Pepper Soup. Good evening, sir. I greet you all. Baba Edobo, Kwaze. I greet Baba. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. I greet everybody. I greet man. I greet woman. I greet each and every one of you. Please help me to share. Baba Nagi say, Atuale Baba, good evening. Good evening to you all, my people. I greet. Atuale, it has been a while. Good evening, my people. Please help me to share. Help me to share. I just have some little things to talk about this evening. I have some things to talk about this evening, especially my Edo brother, Abat Obaze. I purposely came out this evening because it's not my thing. It's not my doing to be coming out all the time. It's not my doing to be coming out all the time. But sometimes when you see things that are going wrong, that people are doing, they are using their hand to make mistake. Because at the end of the day, everybody need each other. There is no man that is an island, or no woman that is an island. Everybody need each other, one way or the other, no matter what, no matter who you are in this life. If you don't need that person now, maybe your grandchild might need the person tomorrow. If you don't need that person now, maybe your sister, your cousin, your auntie will go and look for their help one day. At the end of the day, please help me to share. Help me to share, because sometimes when people are doing things, you need to correct them if you can. Correct them, the ones that can hear, the ones that will listen. Correct them. This evening, I have a message for Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. I was on his Facebook page also this evening, and I saw a lot of things that he is still signing. Edo State Governor is still signing different things. You know, he's signing different things. Mr. Governor, sir, Your Excellency, I will start with you, sir. Edo people don't need the signing this time around. They don't need anything on paper this time around. They need things. Mame, back to sender. Good evening. I greet to Edo people don't need any signing this time around. Mr. Governor, Your Excellency. You've won. You won in election. You won the court case. It's no problem. But it doesn't mean that when we see that things are going wrong or Edo State is not progressing, that we shouldn't talk about it. We can still talk about it. We can still address the issue no matter what, because I believe as an educated man, the governor that you are well educated. But I believe that we on the opposition side are the truth tellers, not the one that is going to lick the butts. But they will never tell you the truth because they are expecting money from you. They are expecting contract from you. They are expecting position from you. They will never tell you the truth. Baba Gwaligo, Adomo youth, Atuale Baba. They will never tell you, Your Excellency, Mr. Governor. They will not tell you the truth. But for me, what I'm fighting for, I believe in every human life. Legacy matters a lot. In every human life, legacy matters a lot. Be you a man, be you a woman, be you in the political arena. We are all fine, Baba. Everywhere is good. Opios is good too. No matter what, be you a man, be you a woman, whoever, no matter what, everybody in this life need legacy to God who made me. Sometimes, those days when we were growing up, you know, Aweyi, Omani, era ojino ojorede. When those days that they see plantative, yam thief, they will go people farm, go uproot their cassava, go uproot their gari, go uproot all those things. Neither they see those days. Hardly before those days you see person can go thief car, or they can go carry, they can meet you for house, can rob you. Now farm then they go those days. You understand? But at the end of the day, people that were doing it, they left a bad legacy for their children. That their own children think today, they are still trying to wipe out, but they cannot. They cannot. When people start mocking you that Akia era o jogede or Israel no ya do guy if you it's a bad legacy altogether. No matter what, you can never clean that name. You can never clean that name. There are people that might be, they might vote for you, they might be working with you, but at the end of the day, when you are not uniting Edo State, you are not uniting the indigent, you are not leaving your legacy behind for them to remember you with. It is not all about fight, fight, fight. Believe me, my people, we all need to leave a good legacy for our children. Legacy, good names, they say, is better than riches. If you have a good name, your own good name, it is better than anything. Your good name, your legacy that you leave or you left behind, your children can walk with it. Your own children can walk with it. They can go to anywhere with your name. They can go to anywhere. It's a prestige. It's a pride for somebody to have legacy. No matter what, even if you are in office, oh, you be normal human being, oh, you not be normal human being, oh, like say you be mama, oh, now person mama you be. You're supposed to walk through your legacy. Know your priority. Know your priority. Know what you want. Know what you want to do. Mr. Governor, sir, I went to your Facebook page. I always go there to check, to see. I have not seen people who benefited from the widow fund. I have not seen one video. It's not in anybody's Facebook that so widow, they collected 5,000 or they collected 1,000. I have not seen it. But those things are legacy. If you can achieve it, like you said on the 8th of March, that you are going to give widows, you are going to give widow up to 1 billion naira. You are going to make sure that different people donate. But you started with 250 million. At least that 250 million is a long way to go in Edo State. It's a long way to go in Edo State for every Edo State. Let's just say each local government, say 18 local government, just let's say 20 million. Say, okay, the widow way they there. First give the ones where reach their hand. Write their name down. Those are legacy. Those widows, they will continue to pray for you. They will continue to pray for you. If tomorrow you come out and you say, oh, I am supporting this person, come and vote for this person. Because they already know you fed them. You fed them. Why did you think that a lot of people were rushing Comrade Adam Saliu Oshomole? Because he has good legacy. I remember those days, that secondary secular Ekiosa Road. You cannot pass there if you reach, I think, Ogiso Market. You will see the pothole there those days for secondary secular. Nobody fit pass there. But when the man came, he did the right thing. He helped the people. And today, people, they still bless him. They still pray for him. That is what I want you to achieve, Mr. Governor. Because I went to your page today, your Facebook. A lot of people said they are tired of things that you are putting on paper that is not on ground. They said they are tired of seeing things done in paper, in writings, that whenever they are looking for the job, let me read some comments, because I love reading comments. I love reading comments whenever I go to your page. I always like to read comments. I always like to read people's opinion there. They said they don't want all those things anymore. The only thing that they are asking for you is those promises you gave them, like the modular refinery in Ologbo. They said there is nothing to write home about it. Nothing to write home about it. Some said the campaign is over. that you should stop campaigning. You should stop campaigning, that they want to see, let me not quote them, because I love to bring people, whenever people are writing in your page, maybe they don't read it, maybe they read it, maybe they do tell you, maybe not, but for me, I prefer to be using my own page to be letting you know, Mr. Governor, sir, that a lot of people, some said they are hungry. They said they are hungry, that they work. One said he worked for 2 hours to vote for you. And now the only thing he's seeing is just paper. Okay, look at what one said. Because you said, the governor said, I have signed a joint venture agreement, JVA, with promoters of the Edo Inland Dry Port. A dry port, you know. I beg my people, wait till una dry port. He said na dry port he won't do again. The governor. Another promise again to Edo people. A dry port. Atlantic Marine Engineering Service formalizing the framework as equity owner for the investment on behalf of Edo people. A dry. And the Edo people said they don't need that one again. That the one you promised them, you should achieve it. Look at what one wrote. He said, kudos to the governor. He is doing everything to port the state. Airport in Edo North, Gelegele Seaport, and now Inland Dry Port. They said they don't want all those things anymore. Like the Gelegele Seaport, a lot of us have been asking for it, sir. But we are not seeing it. We are not seeing the Gelegele Seaport, Mr. Governor, sir. And that thing would have yielded a lot of money, a lot of business in Edo land. A lot of people would have keyed into that Gelegele. At least instead of us shipping cars from Lagos from diaspora to Lagos, it would have been good to do it in our own motherland. Look, somebody said, another person said, Your Excellency, construct airport road from Ogba River down to Gelegele Seaport. Open that road. If you don't, honestly, I don't think shame and prosperity can make me to go there. You said the person said he's ashamed to go there because he voted for you. They've a lot of people said they don't want things that is not achievable anymore, that is only on paper. They want to see your good work. They want to see the modular refinery. They want to see Osiomo power plant. They want to see Gelegele. And now you are bringing another inland dry port. Edo people don't want inland dry port. They want Gelegele Seaport. They want Gelegele Seaport. Some are asking that you should tie the road. It's on your page, sir. A lot of people, they wrote there. They wrote there, they are complaining. They said they regretted. They regretted to trek for good 2 hours to vote for you, Your Excellency. It's uncalled for, Mr. Governor, sir. Do the right thing for Edo people so that they will be pleased. At least when the people, they are happy. You will know that at the end of the day, after your tenure, you will know that, yes, you have done a good thing. You will know that, yes, you have achieved something good in Edo land. You will know that people, your legacy will be there. Your mark will be there. But a lot of people, even those that voted for you now, they are complaining. I saw a lot on your page that I've screenshotted some of it that I said I will also show for people to read so that they will have idea too. That all is not well in Edo land. Even someone wrote that a friend of his was killed by Fulani Esme a few days ago along Ekboma when she was going to AAU to collect her result. How can a Edo State indigene be killed by foreigners in their own land? It's unfair. It's unfair to Edo people. It's unfair. Because everyone is scared. Everyone is scared of their life. Mr. Governor, please, sir, do the right thing for Edo people. Edo people want to see Gelegele Seaport. They want to see Gelegele Seaport. They want to see Edo State. Instead of doing airport. I just go pigeon because I believe say a lot of people go. He said, Mr. Governor, sir, where you go say you won't go do airport for another place, Edo not. Now see Edo. The one where Edo gets for Benin there. Mr. Governor, upgrade that airport to international so that Edo sons and daughters, they can fly straight from whichever country they are living in around the world, straight to Benin direct. Instead of one we now have to come out in Abuja, or one we now have to come down in Lagos. From Lagos, you still have to now pack your bag and baggages, especially those with little children, before moving to Benin. But it would have been better if we just come straight home. If you are you want to make a donut an international airport space, it will be good too. So long it's in Edo land, but you didn't upgrade the one in Benin. You are saying you want to build another one. I don't think that one will be achievable. Believe me, Edo people, that very one will not be achievable. Mr. Governor, that one will not be achievable. Anybody giving you that idea to say to the world that you are going to build another airport in a donut, it will not be achievable. Gelegele Seaport is not yet achievable for the past 5 years now. Airport in do. How would I want to achieve the airport? When Gelegele Seaport, after Chinese people, they don't come. Chinese don't come sign MOU, do everything. Carry camera, go there. Carry video, go there. Carry everything, go there. Gelegele Seaport they never achieve her. At least that seaport would have yielded a lot of business. Maybe a lot of Edo people would have even go to that side and say, okay, let me go and buy land there to invest there. There is seaport there. You can open company there, warehouse. Is it a must that one must ship car through Lagos? Or ship cargo through Lagos? Edo people now another one he bring come again. He bring another one come. He say inner land. I need to finish the reading. More I know where they go. He say inner land. Another one. With the agreement, Edo citizens are now part owners of the inner land dry port, which provides citizens and Nigeria from all walks of life opportunity to participate and engage in international trading, commercial import and export activity of both raw and processed agricultural products and solid mineral, among others, while importers can consign their cargo direct to arrive in Edo. So a cargo, okay, where now? Where those cargo one compass? Huh? Where those cargo now? Where are the cargo now going through? Edo people they forbid for say they get Gelegele Seaport. Edo no they forbid Gelegele Seaport. If you do one we na jumenji. If you do one modular refinery, the modular refinery at least by now is supposed to be doing the right things in Edo land. The Osiomo power plant by now is supposed to be doing the right thing for Edo people. Edo people are supposed to be benefiting from all those things now. Okay. Now Ikpoba River. I beg my brother, they don't walk through Ikpoba River. Then they dig the ground. I don't know where. Now that one. Now me I can't ask too. Because I need good information about that one where he say Edo people cannot. It's like he's trying to make Edo people to be doing import and export. Okay, import and export. In which way now? Is it through the air, through cargo? You ship up, the plane go carry and come Benin. Now that one we want to know. Not be say from first carry and go Lagos. From Lagos now the Congo they use this thing they bring and they come. Afraid. Things are not well in Edo land. To God who made me. Back to sender. To God who made me. Things are not well in Edo land. It's very shameful. It's very shameful. If you compare, look at that day now. There is something one of my brothers sent to me. Look. Lagos State Governor is doing wonders in Lagos. At least I believe Edo should key into that. Edo should key into that. Yeah, you say maybe Ikpoba River. Now so, I don't know. Inner land port, now he talk, I don't know. Inner land, oh, imagine me nothing. There is somebody, look what somebody sent to me the other day. This evening, I played host to Kamaru Usman, the Ultimate Fighting Championship. World champion, aka the Nigerian Nightman at the state. The story of Kamaru is an inspiration to many Nigerians and confirmation that we can all succeed in whatever way. Huh? This Kamaru that a Lagos State governor is hosting in Lagos is from Edo State. Is it not Edo people that are supposed to key into this trophy to welcome their son home? Huh? Mr. Governor is not doing all those things. To God who made me, it's like, you know, when somebody is trying to improve the life of Edo people, try to improve the life. Look at somebody, an heavyweight champion, a Lagos State, the man is from Edo State, but a Lagos State governor is hosting an Edo son. He's hosting an Edo son, he's welcoming an Edo son. My Edo people, no be Edo State, that thing supposed to happen. Say our governor, quick, run, call the Edo son. Say, you are welcome to Edo land. No, say, if a Lagos State can welcome an Edo son, a successful Kamaru Usman, the Ultimate Fighting Championship, weight champion, aka the Nigerian Nightman at the State House. Kamaru is doing well, but that thing is supposed to be for every Edo to rejoice with him, but not the one that Lagos State Governor is now the host of the man, instead of Edo State Governor to be the host of Edo's son, to welcome him home. At least welcome him home, embrace him, let Edo people jubilate with him. At least that feeling that day, maybe people go fit still sell pure water, people go fit sell yogurt, fit sell ice cream, fit sell everything to take boost the economy. At least they go wait for her for airport. The governor is not doing that. You know, see, at least there was a legend from Edo State who aligned with his mother language. With his mother language. Legend. May so rest in peace. Majek Fashek. Our governor not do anything to bring, say, okay, make us support this son. At least I know that they wanted to bring his corpse home to Edo land. But our governor didn't key into those things. I remember I was here when I was looking at some videos. When a lot of people those days, a lot of people did not know that Sam Uloko, may so rest in peace, that Sam Uloko is from Edo State. That is a Benin man. A lot of people didn't know. Because the man was speaking Yoruba, Igbo, name it or Hausa. He was a multicultural man. But people didn't know that Sam Uloko was a Benin man. But when the man died, Comrade Adam Saliu Oshomole did the needful thing for Edo people. He brought the sons home, gave him a befitting burial. How can a man, the whole world know? Majek Fashek. Our governor didn't do that. He didn't participate in anything. Look at Lagos State Governor now, hosting Edo son. A Lagos State Governor is hosting Edo's son. Instead of Edo to be the one hosting their son, welcoming their son home, celebrating their son. What is going on, Edo people? What did they go on? Majek Fashek was partly Edo, partly Yoruba. But he follow him mama, he they speak Bini die anyhow. Anytime I see say they speak Bini, I'm always happy. I say no matter what, he never forget. I know those days his senior brother. I know I live close to them, the elder brother from Ajay Fashek. But people like that, we are supposed to be giving the special respect. Any of those sons who, at least in diaspora, that are doing well and they are still home, they are coming home. The governor is supposed to be the number one to key into all these things and embrace them home. Give them that sense of belonging. Give them that joy that they should be proud of where they come from. Steve Ed, or why Bobby, we did not support Governor that. Everybody must not support Governor. That is like, I see my own thinking, my own way of reasoning. It's like our governor is not a politician. The truth. Believe me, our governor is not a politician. He's not a politician. He's a businessman. He's a businessman. But normally businessmen are the one that's supposed to dive in every aspect of, in every area. Now businessman, they go dig them out. Now businessman, they go hustle. Our governor hustle, me know they see her for ground, that they see her for paper, and they see her for Facebook. I know they see her for ground. Our governor now, they say another inner land dry sea enemy for import and export. Me no know what they want to export. Wait, they Edo now. What is in Edo that you people want to export? What is in Edo State? Is there any cassava factory that is in Edo State that you people want to export? Are those things not what people like Emmanuel Agbe wanted to bring to Edo land? How you can even export Edo clay to Europe and America? Even this alligator pepper, everything from Edo. But it was not a welcoming idea for the men. So what are Edo people going to now be shipping and bringing home? Believe me, a lot of Edo people, they are fed up. That's why many people, when they just take their business, they sell it off in Lagos. And they take their money and go. So we just sell their business at the wharf. And at the end of the day, it's enough for them. They don't care anymore. Our governor should be open. Edo State governor, Your Excellency, sir, you should be open. You should be, at least as a businessman, you said you are, sir. Open your door for everybody. Look for those that really know that, okay, look, a Lagos State governor welcoming an Edo son, praising an Edo son, instead of that suppose that thing, welcoming an Edo son supposed to be in Edo land. At least people go they beat band for him. They go carry him, put him for their shoulder. They raise him up, they jubilate with him. Because he's making Edo to be proud. Like this Ghana man that I used to watch. Because my husband loves wrestling. I used to watch this Kofi. When Kofi go Ghana, but Kofi na American, they born an American guy. Na American guy. But he aligned with the Ghana. And when he go Ghana, they welcome him where. They welcome Kofi where for Ghana. Now wrestler if they do. If they do wrestling. But when he go Ghana, they welcome the guy where. So the team maker, they feel say, yes, they go every time they promote the Ghana culture. And truly, if Kofi, they come out, sometimes he go carry the Ghana flag, follow body. These are things that the people want, really. That after you succeed in Europe or in America, in anywhere in Asia, that at least you will have somebody, a government that will be willing to lift you higher for other Edos to follow. Like this Kamaru Usman are supposed to be another way to boost the youth mentality. Now another way to raise it, to make the youth to know, say, okay, there is progress, there is achievement when you walk in a good way. In a good way. If the governor now invites and come back, don't say, I want to see you, I want to host you. It go crack the youth brain. Many of them go come forget those courses where they do. Say, okay, if I behave like this, there is always a reward for me. I will go to Downs and Debe Avenue. I will shake hands with the governor. Those are ways to embrace the youth. Those are ways to show the youth that they are the future leader, only for them to just follow the right path. But I was surprised to see a picture that the Lagos State Governor is the one hosting Edo Son. Lagos State Governor. I go post the picture, I go post everything. The man carry bet for hand gidigba. He carry a bet for hand gidigba with Lagos State Governor. But this person I Edo Pikin. This person I Edo Pikin. Not be Edo State supposed to they do this one. This thing supposed to be done in Edo State, not in Lagos. I'm not against him, Governor Sanwo-Olu. May God bless you. May God bless you, sir, for your good work. For your humanitarian work. May God bless you. For acknowledging our son. Like Anthony Joshua, you see when he come that day, everybody, the Yoruba people, they key into the guy. Why is it that Edo people have a lot of sons and daughters who are well meaningful, who are doing well in diaspora, but nobody to praise them at home? Nobody to lift their soul at home. Nobody to help them at home to say, okay, no matter what, after you achieve your success, when you get back home, people will be there for you. Error of area. It's not coming from the government angle. I don't know be Lagos. It's true. I don't know be Lagos, my people. It's true. But our governor supposed to key in into all these things. Key in into all these things. The one way just pay me pass. Now that Majek Fashek, oh, to God who made me. Majek Fashek, oh, pay me. I was waiting, thinking, okay, maybe Inigo $10,000 to bring it up. So, huh? Baba Newman, I greet. $10,000 to bring the corpse home. Inigo a $10,000. He go normal sign a MOU. How much is $10,000? He go normal sign a MOU. Samuloko Efe was given a befitting burial. Majek Fashek just die. Majek Fashek die. It can't be like say, ona ye na me wo bi oka wu. Ona ye na me we o ma o okpo ma pa yen dore. It's not fair. It's not good. It's not good. So God do me. It's not good. It's not good. No matter what, as a businessman, you are supposed to key into everything that will uplift the soul of those sons and daughters. Egba is supposing them bring Majek Fashek comes, come Benin, come bury or come the stadium. That day, that stadium go full. People go still do business. But giving him that respect, that years of a sense of belonging. Yes. Back to sender, it's true. He's a businessman. Not be businessman, they also pass. Now businessman, they also pass. Businessman just be like bus conductor. When everybody go, they shout, Ogida, ring road. You will go, they hustle. Una no, na those days for ring road. How conductor, bus conductor go, they drag you here. Those are things that they were supposed to be doing for those sons and daughters in diaspora that are well to do. Praise them when they get home. Praise them, use them as kind of a key of key of contact to other Edo sons. Maybe have see, for example, all those Edo sons and daughters where they misbehave. They do no wa kedore. Non gele yobo ou na ne bone agbonya hen. He can't company the governor can't host them. He go still reset some of them their brain. He go still change their mindset. So go even can know say not be only to smoke igbo or not be only to join cultists, not be only to go carry gun, go they shoot person where not find you. He go help them. He go elevate those sons and daughters. When I saw the picture, Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu is hosting Edo's son. Edo's son, instead of him to carry that bet, come Benin, even that ring road there. Carry a company. Carry and go meet our father. Make it pray for her. We should be open for everything. We should our governor is not open. That is what I see. The governor is not open. He's not open. He's not a politician. He's not a politician. But many that surround him, they are politicians. They are supposed to key into things that we elevated those sons and daughters. That will also put smile in their face. Not be only to do road. But what about the humanitarian work that those sons and daughters they need? And those sons and daughters need humanitarian work also. They need humanitarian work. At least if you see, it get way, be say you will take the handle things, that it go make other those sons and daughters want to key into. That, okay, they will not tell you their achievements, their worth and everything. They know, say, at the end of the day, you are going to reward them by hosting them. Hosting them not be everything not be money. Like that place where you tell they do a do best, Mr. Governor. You go host them there. It's like give them the sense of belonging. Both home and diaspora. That is what you are supposed to be doing now, Mr. Governor. It doesn't mean that those sons and daughters that are doing what's supposed to now come to you first. No, you have to go to them. You need to go to them, sir. Go and look for those sons and daughters that are progressing. This our brother now, Kamaru Usman, I think he's still in Lagos. Go and invite him to Edo land. Invite him to Benin City. Host him. Let those sons and daughters also know, both home, that they have a son like this, who is well to do. International Eginiki. Now only bad thing they go just say no Edo for. With my brother Martins, with nobody to hold responsible. Maybe the only person we are going to hold responsible is Abatobaze. Is Abatobaze? Now Abatobaze. Now Abatobaze. If somebody not send the picture, come give me. I not see where this my brother bring and come. I go for no say Kamaru Usman are from Edo State. Kofi was given a nice welcome. That is why you see align with Ghana. Now wrestler the guy be. He with some other people where they do wrestling other black guys. Where he come from Ghana too. Edo na country of his own, na Asian country. It good if our son progress. You no get now, my brother. So na about be mistake. Na about Obaze. Okay, he's from Awuchi. You see now? You see? Oh, the man is from Awuchi. Kamaru Usman is from Awuchi. He's from Awuchi. Baba Osho. Oh, Damesha. Now this kind of thing I believe Comrade Adams Aliu Shomole would have done in a piece of cake. Would have done in a piece of cake. He will bring that boy out in Osadebe Avenue. He will take him to our father. He will take him to Ring Road. Go and welcome him at the airport. Yes, sir. Hosting the young man, hosting Kamaru Usman, we also elevate. It is a motivation for Edo sons and daughters. It's a motivation for Edo sons and daughters, not the one going to hospital for what's in the Bender insurance. I think he went to hospital to go and see those ones. Thank you, sir, for going to hospital to go and see our brothers who are at the hospital because of football. Because of football. Thank you for going there to see them. That is also humanitarian work. But adults need to know their sons and daughters who are doing well. Adults need to know their sons and daughters who are doing well in diaspora or who is bringing their name. Because that guy that day, now anywhere they call him, he's always going to say, I think now him be person where he be say, carry your papa, come there. I don't know. Because he get one where I watched that day, when the father was even there. The father was happy. I don't know if he's the one. He don't get children where he be say, then they do the right work. Many of adult children, they do good things. With adult children that are going good things, they need to be rewarded one way or the other, not by giving money. Money is not everything. Money is not everything, Mr. Governor, Your Excellency, sir. Money is not everything. Host them. Hosting them, it might even take 1 million naira to host him. Oh, he has teamed up with Lagos government to build training camp to train Lagos youth on UFC. Ew. 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 Things like this, why will Edo youth not become cultists? Things like this now, why will Edo youth not become cultists? When the young man, Kamaru Usman, now has teamed up with the Lagos State governor now to build a camp to train the youth for UFC. Huh? Training those youth now, it's automatically removing some of the youth from the street, giving the youth in Lagos sense of belonging. That Usman is going to motivate them. What of if Usman and Kamaru now come and motivate his Edo brothers and sisters? Wow. If they now build the camp in Edo lands now, wow. Edo State, they forbid goats where they use salt to roast. There are things that will boost the economy. People will even things like this, like this, my brother. A lot of Edo sons and daughters, they are military over here. Some are policemen over here. They have different things. Even in sports over here, they are doing well. Things like this, governors supposed to invest in these people, invest in them by bringing them, tell them, work with them, come home. Come home. I'm going to open this camp. Camp on Facebook. Not be camp on paper. Me and they talk. On grant. That thing go. I know me know my Edo brothers and sisters. I know my Edo brothers and sisters. We are go-getter. If we miss something, we get it done. If Edo people miss something, they get it done no matter what. Can't be saying about things they can't know Edo people for. It's supposing governor just host this guy now. Go welcome her for airport. Carry and go center of Ring Road. You know now, you know my Edo brothers now. Many of them ready to volunteer. To say they want start, maybe then go they even they dig ground, go they do the work by themselves. Provided may they accept them for the training camp. These are things to remove the mind of the youth from stealing, from kidnapping, from whatsoever. Giving them sense of belonging. Sense of belonging matters a lot in human life. Sense of belonging matters a lot. Sense of belonging, meaning like you are playing a fatherly role to those people. telling them that your government is for everybody. Your government is for old, is for young, is for name it all. Especially for the youth. So that many of them will remove their hands from guns. Many of them will not have time to go and do cultists. The time that they will know that, okay, if I train finish today, as early as 5 o'clock, master, coach, don't come wake me up. Oh. I must go train. He might not go think of bad thing again. He might not go think of bad thing again. At least those places where they do the training camp, if it be also a host place for our mothers to go sell. Our mothers go sell there. Our sisters go sell there. If governor can change, it is called changing of mindset. Changing of mindset. When you are for everybody, governance, I believe it has to do with everybody, no matter who you are. Involve them one way or the other. It might be physical work, it might be financial aspect, but involve them. Involve them in whatever way you can. Like this Kamaru Usman owner is from Ahunchi. I believe a lot of don't know people, a lot of Ahunchi boys, they will key into the system. Maybe many for don't even enter Benin City this night. If supposing this our brother come Benin. Therefore don't enter, come welcome her. Not be only to do roads, give light, give this. No. But the humanitarian work, Edo people don't have it. Edo people don't have the humanitarian aspect. When it comes to government supposed to be for everybody, So long that person is from Edo land. Even if na diaspora ideo, na America ideo, na Asia ideo, na Japan ideo, na China ideo. But so long na Edo son, if they do good thing, you go key into a program. Ask her, my boy, how you they do this thing? How this thing want to work for your brothers for home? Okay, no problem. I go invite you come. I go invite you, may you come motivate the youth. Though that is also another way for security for Edo land. Now another way for people where they go thief before, you not go again. You not go again. Because he knows he want to be like Kamaru. Because every human being now who good, neither they imitate. Now who good, now everybody they imitate, one be like. Now Lagos State Governor now can they host our Edo brother for us. Instead of the opposite. Instead of opposite. That our brother supposed to be hosted in Edo land. A good welcoming home. At least you welcome your brother home. Welcome your brother home. Say, my brother, you are welcome. Oh, my beloved sister, good evening. Peace. I greet. You welcome your brother home. From that airport, they begin sing. Chiko come dance their own for her. The other ones go come dance their own for her. It will give that our brother sense of belonging to say, okay, I must do my best to make my state proud. At least tomorrow night, if they can't invite her for any other thing, it go carry the sense of say yes. Not be the one where you can't go they work with Lagos State Governor now. Because we are too late. We don't recognize our people when they are doing good. We don't recognize them. We don't motivate them. It's not good also. Government supposed to belong to every part of every aspect of life. Humanitarian, that is number one. Okay. Okay. Roslyn Yamu, I greet, my dear sister. Okay. You see now, all these people are going to their, one is going to Cameroon to go and build camp there. Though they forbid camp for Edo land, we the Edo people, are we forbidding this kind of camp for Edo land? Say, make this our brother for UFC now. Make it constantly build that kind of camp. Till they train our brothers. Make it for remove them from their cultists. No Osiamo power plants. May we forget that one. Osiamo don't die. No Osiamo. Osiamo is gone. Osiamo never reached more than 1 year. Me, I was even thinking during the time of a campaign. Osiamo was Watore. You know Ture. I was even thinking maybe when they were doing the National Sport Festival. Osiamo Watore. Osiamo Mature won't get denoje. Osiamo no come down, come bring life from on top of plantain. Osiamo no come down. Osiamo no come down. Those are big things. But this our brother owner, this Kamaru Usman owner. These are little things. These are things that to motivate the people. At least to still put smile for their face. Say, when you work hard, there is always a reward. If not this one, you go even do for Edo people for these 3 years now. I go for the happy. I go for the happy. Then for Edo Pikina to go the key in with Lagos State governor. Say he want go they build camp with Lagos State governor, go they train people for Lagos. Instead of your own people for Edo. I don't know be Lagos because they don't need good thing for Benin. Yeah, I think so. I think so because I believe for me, these things when we they talk about Edo, the thing don't they tire me because I feel say majority of Edo people they love the darkness. Like one who is always coming. Maybe after I don't finish video now, you can write Ifuska. This my brother Edgar. Edgar, you see, your picture, I go watch, I not fit mention your surname, but I will mention your first name, Edgar. You see you, you there inside church. You are people who believe in 247 prayer. 247, 24 hours of the day prayer. You don't believe in hard working. You sure say na so Oyibo te do. Oyibo wey bring Christianity come Africa. They know they do like that, Oyibo church na 2 hours. You don't come out there. You don't come out there. Pastors, they work here. Now only Africa or Missy say pastor no they work. Pastor they go work. Pastor they give account of their tithe and offering for year. You see you take picture for front of church, you they happy. But at the end of the day, your state is in total mess up. In total mess up. You say make I go they talk to Buhari. What it concern so long Buhari if our governor say Buhari not give him allocation for this month, I'm ready to talk to Buhari. But so long the president is giving each state their allocation, waiting be their rightful due, if they give them every month. Then if our own no can use and they do what he's supposed to use and do. Now Buhari fault be that. Is that one not the president fault? My brother Michael agreed. Good evening. See, I don't fair explain this thing several times. He said, make I go they talk to Buhari. Look, like now, employee and employer. Somebody come employ you, say, come work for me. I go they pay you for 5,000 naira every month. But so long the president is paying the allocation every month, it is left for our state governor to use his own take work for your own state. Now Buhari want to see work for Edo State. I been a Buhari want to secure Edo land. So long Buhari is paying the security vote every month. Which one will I not call him? Come, oh. It is left for us if we want to secure our state. Who is ruling the state will be the one to say, okay, this is what I want in my state. He has the right to say, this is what I want in my state. Let me go and buy this. Una not see last time where Buhari go Lagos last week. Una see what in Sanwo-Olu presents come. Walking, talking. Name talking. Name car. Brand new cars. Motorbike. Edo get them. Una common walking, talking self. Una get for Edo. Walking, talking. Una get for Edo. At least walking, talking too. Una see for security. Una get walking, talking for Edo State. A walking, talking one year. I'm a vigilante. Those that volunteer themselves now. Beg not be everything. Person go to talk. Me no go put mouth for all those big things. You see this our brother where Lagos State governor go host so. The thing they pay me. Believe me. If they pay me, it's like you're doing good as a son, but you are not being recognized. You are not being recognized. You see it? You are doing good things. You are taking your state name far, Edo State, because if they ask that my brother, Kamaru Usman, where are you from? Now, Edo State. I'm from Nigeria, but I'm from Edo State. You know, go say Lagos State. But now, Lagos State governor now, he can't they work with now. Is that not painful for Edo people? Is that not painful? Baba Kingsley, I greet you, Baba. Good evening. Is that not painful for those sons and daughters now say they are picking now? One go walk, he want go open camp with Lagos State governor. He carry a bet, he put on for shoulder. That he bet now our Papa Palace is supposed to go put on for there. Welcome him home. Ah, wow. Ah, but you know they see all this kind of thing they talk. They know they see all this kind of thing for your page. They know they see all this kind of thing for your Facebook page at all, my brother. They know they see. You see the humanitarian work Mama Rosula they do. You can post all those ones. You can go and video those ones. You can go and the road where you pass go reach there. Why you know they video those roads? The road where una they go pass, go where she for they share all those things. May God bless you, Mama Rosula. May God bless you. You are a great woman, a great mother. Avec pen of Benizoe. The road where una they pass, they go there when they go share when our mama they go stand for line. This is an individual person now. They do one. Individual. And our governor never see call our mama and say, okay, Madam Rosula, let me motivate. There are ways to motivate. My brothers and sisters, when I don't see those things when about they go video. Now, woman they do one. Even the woman they help people for Lagos where. A lot of people don't benefit from Mama Rosula, this thing foundation. Now, you see carry and come Bini, carry and come Edoland. At least, our governor supposed to even say, okay, I've heard about this. At least, how about now be PRO? Now, what he give himself? Now, PRO to governor. About Obanza is PRO. You like it or not? That's your new name now. Because anything where they happen, or where what happen for governor, this thing, or government, now you now can't they. But if it can't be say, now the one way be say it can't be war, you go deny her. At least, now see kind of motivation, host the woman. Not be money Mama Rosula they look for now. She don't look for money, she don't look for anything. Not be even say, at least applaud her for her good work. Your Excellency, sir, always try to employ people that will help you to recognize those sons and daughters that are doing good, that are doing great. It is also a legacy for you. A legacy metamuwe, metemi obe. Because if me go my community tomorrow, my father legacy, he reach me, take climb everywhere. When me they grow up, they come. Once they know, says, he now this person picking. Everybody, they come run, come hold me. Because he left a good legacy. Good one at that. That the whole of your community, they miss you. Even in death, they will be praying for you. When they see your children, they will rush and meet your children. Is that not a legacy? A legacy, oh, you may go your legacy. Because my papa live in own good, well for me. For us to live. You know the feeling now, my people, my brothers and my sisters, where be say, you just go say, okay, maybe in an area for Benin there, you just go there, people, they talk good about your papa. It will make you feel good. Or talk good about your mama. Ah, see what your papa do. See what your mama do. Now, good thing. If a common man can leave legacy, what stops the government from leaving legacy? That is it, sir, Baba. The Rosula Foundation, yeah, it's nationwide. Even people for international too. Oh. She they help a lot of people for UK. A lot of people benefited from her also in UK. Rosula Foundation, a lot of people benefited from her foundation in UK. In UK. But na Edo Pikin, Ovie Dobe, no Ovie Dok Pataki. Unu no Zedo na Bini woman. I know her long ago when the mama died. I was in that burial. When the mother died, when she come Bini come do burial for the mother. There are things that we need to work on. There are things, everything is not about money. It's not about demanding. But those sons and daughters that are doing well, these are, even if they support, if not maybe the governor, even those who not support me, when I know, say, then they do well, then they do well, I go open my hand for all of them, they welcome them. It's motivation. That is a sign that, oh, the governor is not playing politics of bitterness. Oh. The governor, you criticize him, you talk to him, but tomorrow if he see you, if he see you, but he go welcome you. But some of us don't see what in our governor too don't do for our eye. Like person like Senator Urogide for airport. For airport. This time around, our governor Obaseki no need those people. Governor Obaseki no need all those Agberu. Because those Agberu will not give you a good legacy, Mr. Governor, sir. Those that will go and stand at the airport, removing a car from somebody that older than their father, or even better than their father. It's also not a good legacy. Okay. You see now? Now another thing now. Obaseki is very close to Dangote, but 5 years going to 6 years now. Obaseki cannot attract Dangote to come set up industry to create job for our youth. It's true too. It's true. It's true. Even some of his boys were busting with it. Dangote. But there is no Dangote refinery. But they have it in Lagos. Dangote refinery, fertilizer this, is in Lagos. Where you own company for Edo land. Even though, now there I talk about the government don't reach. Because for me, we always talk about legacy. His legacy is what matters. It's not what those youth, those stomach infrastructure youth want from him. This second tenure not be stomach infrastructure he needs now. Stomach infrastructure not being in need now. This time is for him to leave legacy. You know, this is the last card. Because tomorrow now, if he don't finish his tenure, he can't bring somebody come out. I'm not sure say those people go answer him. When they not see any good thing where be say, they want pinpoint say, now ain't do this, now ain't do this, now ain't do this. Go look in page, in Facebook. A lot of things where people don't write there. Those who voted for him. Those that voted for him, they are crying. Some said they are regretting. Some they say election don't finish. Make governor not the campaign gay. They are bittered. They are being bitter. They are hunger. They are hungry. They are hungry. Everything is on paper. Is on paper. Is on paper. Is on paper. Okay, yes, I heard it. Governor Fayemi is also close to Dangote. He has attracted Dangote to set up a rice plant in Ekiti. Okay, Edo people. Unayera, if Dangote go set up Ekpoma rice where we all grow up with for Edo land, will it that one not give Edo youth job? Dangote now go set a rice plant for Ekiti. If our governor now also attract Dangote now to set up Ekpoma rice, or even that suburban when you go saying use 3 billion, take the way not good. And those people, we need to wise. Politics is over, election is over, but sometimes we want to see results. Sometimes everything doesn't have to be promise and faith. Promise and faith. If those they said they are tailor will promise and still fulfill their promise in whichever way they can, I believe our educated ones supposed to do more, do better. Yes, sir. It will create job, definitely. The youth will go and work there. Not be only your job, oh Baba. Not be only job, oh. You know why I say not be only job? Mama put go there. People where they sell rice go there. People where they sell pure water, then go put down their small kiosks around there. The workers go they buy there. Because I remember 2018 when I go this Chinese ties company where they for Utesi. I see people where fence different book are there. And if you go that place for night, Utesi for night, the place they boom. Believe me. Because of that Chinese company, the place they boom. Oh, Baba Dave, I greet you, Baba. Good evening. Hope you are good now. Bele. That place they boom. If you go there during the day, the place is moving. Now, small, not be only for the youth, but also for our mothers who are selling too. Who are selling? Baba, we're showing how you developing. Hey. I'm not sure everything na paper. Me, I just sure say go day for that good 3 years. Now paperwork. Now paperwork. Some people don't they complain say they don't want paperwork again. And these are people that voted for him. They said they don't want paperwork. Mr. Governor, sir, please, sir. Those that voted for you, I read their comments because I love reading comments. Westlink, I greet. I greet, Baba. Those that voted for you, sir, please. They said they don't want paperwork anymore. They don't want to see it on Facebook. They want to see it on ground. So one road that you should link Airport Road to Ogba to Gelegele. That you should be linking those roads, those rural areas to connect the villages. If there is road, if there is road, no place be village. If good road, they will be say link. That is why I love what Governor Zulum did. The man go buy this caterpillar tractor where he go tell bulldozer the grant to link. He bought it. He bought a lot, about for 1.4 billion naira. He buy many. Where he want you say link the villages to the city. At least that thing go good for that place now for Borno State. Because why? All those farmers where they be say they no fit carry their goods come town. Then go fit. We say, Baba, we have it all. Those villagers, then go fit. Somebody was also writing that the governor promised them Bini Abraka Road. That in today, nothing to write home about Bini Abraka Road. And that now Yokorion will be the biggest, the biggest local government for Edo State. Yokorion will big where? And there is no road to link all those villages within the town. Wow. See, if the villagers can link to the city, food stuff not go too dear for the city. Our mama business go see they move from farm. Once you carry you uproot your cocoyam from the village, from farm now. Instantly, you will just carry them. Oh yeah, put them for head. If they're not present well for you for village, you just put them. You will say, okay, may I just come over to the market, come sell my things there. May I just go Leah market, go Ekiwa market, go sell my things there. Those days, if you want to buy bushmeat now for Ekiwa, I'm not sure say even road there now to Ekiwa. I'm not sure say road there for those Tesame road area, TV road area. Ekiwa ni come for a long time. Would you, I beg? Am I motivated on Oragmo? Am I a motivated legend in Oviedo? Oviedo? Huh? You know, and sometimes things they make attraction. Somebody like, I will. You want to build airport? No airport. Airport, you know, that Bini airport. They say, yeah, when this my brother, they talk a few years ago, say, it will now become international airport. It will now become a cargo, they bring cargo, they bring everything. People go there from Europe, they come down there. Benin never get international airport. At least if Benin get international airport, you fit buy your ticket. You fit buy your ticket from Heathrow Airport straight direct to Benin. No need to come down from Lagos. If you don't get house for Lagos, no need to come down from Lagos straight to Benin. If you feel say, okay, I not go Benin, may I go Lagos. And these days now, a lot of Edo people, sons and daughters are selling their properties in Benin and moving to Lagos. No farm. After collecting billions, CBN loans on behalf of Edo farmer. There is no farm. That one I see voice me. MOU. All those ones na Facebook work. Na Facebook farm be that. Facebook farm anything. The thing just they pay me for Edo people. To God who made me. It's just they pay me for Edo people. Because why I'm saying it is that we are comparing Edo no be Lagos. Edo no be Lagos. And the Lagos state governor is driving with full force. The man is bulldozering everywhere with full force. Different things. With different things. And our own no they compete now. And why not they compete with the Lagos and all say, if Lagos state governor bring 1,000 walkie-talkie, make Edo State still provide 500 new walkie-talkie. Error of area, we not get like that. Sorry, my people, there is no hope for Edo land. I'm sorry. That is, the thing make me tired. To God who made me. It make me tired. Why? Upon all the talking, and yet there is still no achievement. Is there any need for us to be talking? We should just sit and swallow our pride and wait for maybe another person. That is just what I see. The only thing we are going to see is more paperwork on Facebook. It's more paperwork on Facebook. If now me be governor advisor, I would just say, Mr. Governor, sir, there is no need for us to be showing all these things on Facebook. Because it is false hope. It's false hope. false hope. Let me go to Abatoba's own. I just have a few minutes to address his own issue. Abat, my brother, Abatobaze. Look, let me tell you, you are still young. You are still very, very young. You are very, very young. It depends on how you want to live your life. It depends on how you want to live your legacy. You see all these things you are doing, you've got no good legacy. Abat, you not get one good legacy for grant now. Go see things where you they post since these days now concerning Comrade Ranomigo and Tony Kabaka and all those things. Go see the comments there. Me, I do Facebook, but I love to read comments. I love to read people's opinion. Go see how people are writing. Go and read their comments. It looks like you are now becoming a threat to Edo sons and daughters. Is or what Abat, what you are doing now, is there any gain for it tomorrow? You are not leaving a good legacy. No, this one is not legacy. It's not legacy. It shows you are only fighting for yourself. You are not even fighting for the governor. You are even attracting more people to start talking to the governor. Abat, you are attracting more people to be talking to the governor. You are attracting more people to disrespect the governor, either by comment or by making live video. You are attracting more people to talk to the governor the way they like. Because whatever you do, you gave yourself the PRO job. Whatever you do, we always have reflection to the governor. Not be anybody. Now the governor, they go direct. Because anything when you they do gra, they go bring old video come out, they go bring new video come out, they go bring everything come out, they go right car middle in the night, looking for who is not looking for you, measuring who is not measuring your name. It's uncalled for, my brother. Which one you they go drive in middle of the night, they look for who? You be police? You be the governor? Only you one. You turn yourself to an enemy for a lot of people. How about you are playing politics of bitterness, politics of hatred? You are the one who started this politics of bitterness. How about you started this politics of bitterness, politics of hatred, politics of insult? You are insulting people. You are downgrading people. The way you played your politics is not the best way. How about you automatically you are creating a lot of enemy. Even people where be say maybe they don't like Ranomigo before, or they don't like Kabaka before. But things that you are doing now, you are making them to love them more now. You are making them to love them more because they are the ones showing the maturity side of it, that no matter how you insult yourself in politics, you can still be brothers and sisters. But the politics you people are playing now, anybody where you talk to una, he go call us una go arrest, he go call us una go arrest. See, my brother, you feel arrest somebody now. You feel arrest so. But where that person for still getting own level, if you still cross over go in territory, he go make sure say, whenever you go below where out. Whenever you go below where out, we are in like territory, okay? Politics not be so. And all these things where you they do, me I tell you one thing about. You see all this gra in the night, carry can go, they drive, they go, they look for who not look for you, they go. They find out, they drive, they go for Benin, they do this, they do that. You see what you they do, eh? You are automatically creating problem for yourself. You are giving yourself, you are worked up over who not work for your matter. You are giving yourself sleepless nights. See, me I tell you all these things, and sometimes it good, make person no go put his hand for problem. But at the end of the day, not be you go cause that problem. Another person if you go do the problem for your neck. My brother Justin, I great. Good evening. Person if you go create problem for your neck, but now you as far as say, now you bring your chest come out. Now you bring your mind come out. Now you walk back for you. Now you show up for live video. Make the whole world see say, yes, you have problem with that person. If it be saying another person will be saying you offend, when we not born, sometimes it good make we they use our head. It good make we they use our head. Not be everything we'll just carry and put for head, put for shoulder. No. It get not call you. Because these things when you they do so. Another person if you go create big crime put for your neck. And he go there the whole world man say now you do one. What is your? Because you are showing out your hatred. You are showing out your hunger. You are showing out everything in you. It can't be like saying now you be the governor. Now you they even they direct the governor. The way you are doing, it looks like you are the one directing the governor. Now you they tell the cabinet waiting they go do. It not good, my brother. Not be everything. Person they carry chest, they come out. No. Not be everything. Because at that time, you also disrespect to senior you. And those people will not be like that. We know they disrespect to senior us. But you disrespect to senior you as at that time too. Regardless of saying a politics. So that you recruit people for abroad, may they come they install prominent those sons and daughters. Which it was also bad. No, they carry chest, they come out for everything because the way you content they do now, it can't be like say, now you they control the governor. Now you they kick the governor, say, okay, go this side. Now you be the PRO or Munuonge governor. Don't give yourself the job that you are not employed for, my brother. That day you don't feel talking with your man say you know they do that one again. No, now your business you they mind now you they find how you take create job how you take and that I applaud you for. But why are you not trying to create problem everywhere here and there? Comrade Tony Kaba can never come out one day can't talk to you anyhow. You see they call you his small brother. What is the problem about? What is the problem? Now you be the governor. If you campaign for somebody, does it mean that you have to be the one to also rule and control them? Because the way you are doing it is like you are the one controlling the governor. You are the one controlling the governor. With that, you are making a lot of people to come and insult the governor. You are making a lot of people to come and talk to the governor. Anyhow, go look the governor page. Go see comments. Go look your page. Go see comments. Look at what people are writing. A lot of people said you are jealous, that you are filled with bitterness. It's not the best, Abat. It's not the best. Change your way. Because you are living a bad legacy. When a legacy in where you live. When a legacy in where you live. You never get one legacy now. Now bad. Now bad record you they put for ground. Now bad record you get. You never get one good one. Area you play politics here. You know they see the com ratio is one of the reasons that the governor is always going to his platform. You have a bigger platform, but the governor is not coming to you. But it's still not coming to you. That there are things that you have to swallow your pride. And keep your mouth shut and look another direction, my brother. Why you are resting Lagos now? Why you are resting in Lagos? Go arrest them there in Lagos now. Lagos is where they are. It's unfair about the way you are taking all these things to. Is very, very unfair. It's uncalled for. It's uncalled for. It's disgraceful. It's shameful. It's a letdown. It's a letdown. It's a letdown because you are still going to, with this act of yours, you are putting Edo State government also in the wrong direction, in the wrong limelight. Maybe manani re guananya, egba wana ya arrest man wa arrest no wa arrest nenya. Maybe thousands and one people no my live video before. They will all come out. They will all come out. And at the end of the day, now the governor name you they put for all those stress again. Well, and why? Okay, the governor pay about to bring Edo people down. It's very bad. That is it. He forgot that, eh? If they forget, whatever you sow, you will surely reap. Whatever you sow in this life, you will surely reap. How about leave all these things you are doing? It's uncalled for. Tell me, I tell you, you know they keep person. Na ke gbina we ma mi ekene ikuo bi kuo ya gbina iyan ona isi ona won no pa isi ona yegbe no pa isi ona no na. At the end of the day, they will still settle. If somebody go say Ranomigo and come returning Kabaka today, they go settle. You have to wear more. Why not key into all those things that let those sons and daughters have it in mind that you are not playing politics of bitterness or politics of hatred. You are the one creating the problem for the governor. For me, it was not my intention to come to Facebook to come to talk to the governor or they address those state issue. No. Now, a person like you, and Osahweno Huodi, and that apostle make somebody like me come out. Because I can't say, why tell matter? Why tell matter? Where you they go show Rosula Foundation help for Edo North, for Edo Central. The road where una pass go there. Why am for Eladia? Go and show the roads in Edo Central. Make the governor the senior. Where I post a platform away. Go Edo North, go do one. Go Edo South, go do one. You too, you are from Iyokoriom, and people are crying that Bini Abraka Road is not good. Where my daughter, but you are just fighting for where you will know that you will be relevant. Where you will know that the governor will see that, okay, Abat is doing his job. Gomebe Jemine. Eriamaya Nyagbon. Erio, my brother. Erio. Amagba community ni nuwejeni. We video ya muladia. Da duk bonora magbani. We mwe ya ladia muye Facebook we. Mwe ye wo we nu give ya gbonbege. We mwe ye wo we. Maybe somebody like me, if I see him, I sit on to the governor say, amagba no good or the road there no good. Now so you know me say you support governor say waiting no good, you just cover her. Because now on a day government, you people are not helping the governor. That is what somebody like me is fighting for. For the governor to know that you people are not helping him to build legacy. You people are not helping him to build any legacy. The whole of you are just there for your own stomach. Your own stomach. Or waiting for your own appointment. There is nothing else. The wife not the advisor about. A wife not the advisor. No. A wife not the advisor. I don't picture the wife. I don't see her. No. The wife not. Una know our Nigerian women now. Especially when it be say, now the man be the provider. It not be like Europe now, where it be say some now 50-50. That the women they can still talk and tell their husband that they are going astray. Nigeria, you they see who they talk. A party. So they Abat even almost change to MC. Abat in MC. Where me where or lele ya mo boka lele gbelele ya. So you know the wife not they talk to her. If the wife they talk to them, I believe her back will change from a lot of things. Especially when you are a mother and you are matured. You are mature, you know what you are doing. If your husband, they go anywhere, you go first go tell her, say, Esim, or well, I'll beg him. O marok panaru da weti e bodo give him a wuowa, mudiakeme. A live video ni anado disgrace way. But he's the only one providing. The wife quiet. The wife quiet. How about you, they manipulate the wife? It's not good. You just carry car, they go. You hear say this person come. So many, anybody now, somebody like me, me awaladoni, iwa jegbe nu wagbe, me toge. Me wa jegbe nu wagbe. Iwa jegbe nu wagbe. For what I say person not go talk. French president in ya kalubi yo a ederio. O mi emi wa. Oh, when Comrade Stanley Osaze said the flyover is needed in Ikbobahil, Abat attacked him, and Governor Obaseki supported Abat. Okay, the say, clap for them. I clap for now. Now Abat be the omunu. Now Abat be omunu of government. But when it comes to issue like that deaf and dumb boy, I don't forget his name that day, when they said they shoot, I think Abat withdraw himself. Abat withdraw himself, come on, because he know the story, but he never think today. Abat not green post that boy, he not green go look, he not go look for that boy. Deaf and dumb when they say they shoot for Sakmoba or for Upper. I beg my people, may I live on here. I not fit talk. How about change your way? Don't play politics of bitterness. Don't play politics of hatred. We are all brothers.